Hey everybody, welcome to the garden. I hope you're having a great day. Shout out to the lemon and lime lovers and everybody in between. It's time for a crypto highlight video. And remember, if you're interested in any of the services I provide, please check the links in the description below for both the Patreon and Discord. And if you would like for me to cover an asset for you and do a highlight video for you, make sure to post that asset's ticker and name in the stock crypto highlight room in the Discord. And if you're not in the Discord, hop on in so you can get that service from me, and I will do an exclusive video just for you. All right, so recommended to me was to look at APT. I'm not familiar with this coin, but as I can tell, it's really young. It looks like it's like a month old or something, or 2 months old. I checked other exchanges to see if maybe this is just a new listing for Binance, but no, they all seem to have this amount of data. So we can't use the monthly. We obviously really can't use the weekly, and the daily. We really can't use the daily either. I mean, there's nothing serious here. So I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour. Um, and hopefully there's something here. So this is going to be more on the shorter term, in the sense that like I can't give you like the macro of what's going to happen here, but what I could tell you may happen in the shorter term. So kind of take this with a grain of salt. But they asked, so I just want to give my 2 cents on it. Hopefully, you find some value in it. But this video will probably be invalidated and pretty quickly over the coming days. But looking at the 4 hour, there's still not that much information. I mean, what we did lose these levels down here. We'll keep the trend lines blue. I mean, it's on the 4 hour, but we'll just keep it blue because it's on the lower time frame. So these lows down here, we lost this level down here, and so far we're trading fairly neutrally. I wouldn't be overly bearish on it. Again, there's just not that much info. But look at this. I am seeing this descending trend line right here. So this one right here, from this high right here to this high right here, or rather, actually, no, this high right here to this high right here grabs this one as well. So we'll do this, yeah. So that's a little cleaner. We can ignore this wick as it seems like it was a trap. I would look for this descending trend line to be broken bullish if we're gonna get a continue, like pretty much a continuation up to take out this consolidation. And if we do break this descending trend line, I think it's a very high likelihood that we take out these highs over here, and we probably, we take out the liquidity above these levels here, and then we probably shoot up higher. Okay, so that's what I see if we do break this descending trend line here. We will have probably some challenges here at this level here at 7.03 cents. Where will we get to? Well, let's see here. If we're starting some sort of trend higher and we do take out these levels, we could potentially look for some sort of fib trend, yeah, trend, like some sort of a fib. Oh gosh, it's so young. There's not that much info. Um, yeah, okay. So we'll use a fib retracement, but we'll have to go in reverse essentially. So essentially, if we were to come and take out these highs, I don't even have it on. Hold on, let me turn this on here. Let me turn this on for you. We'll look for the ones, yeah. So essentially, we'll have to look at these levels here. So really, the 1.618, 1.5, and the 1.382. So 138, 150, 161. These are going to be the most interesting levels to look at, and then the 178.6 as well. So 123.6 is probably going to get taken out if we're going to have that continuation beyond this consolidation. We'll probably get all the way towards the 178.6, but right now there's not that much. That's not that much info. But once we get to that level, watch for a pullback potentially back towards these consolidations to potentially hold, and then you could be building out a much larger bullish structure to go higher, or or we could see this break down what we're building right now. So we have this low here to this low right here. And what you're seeing is we potentially broke it already and are testing the low side of it. Now, I don't know if that's what's happening for sure, but we potentially are doing that, and that would be following exactly what Bitcoin's doing. So we broke down, testing the bottom side of this bear structure, which this is more of like a bear flag. And if we do have that respect where we do hold this level and then break down lower, then I mean, where are we going? It can go pretty low, right? So the way we can actually see where we could potentially go here, we can do a trend based fib. So we'll do pretty much. We can go if we do the short term. We could go from this swing high to this swing low to this swing high right here, and then we'll have the levels down here. So the first major level we would look at is right here at about $3.40 to then $3.21, and then eventually towards this level here, all the way from what is this $2.80 to about $2.16. So this would be the zone that I would look for if we were to have that continuation to break down. So this is like that gold pocket zone bearish wise, and then we also have this is going to act as a fairly significant level right here, right there. Okay, so watch for these two zones right here to be targeted, and eventually this level here. And then we'll have to let price action do its thing. This level is, I mean, it's right under this swing low, which is all the liquidity is pulled here, and then a continuation to this level at about $2 and change. There will probably be some demanders. You might see another pop up, but I would expect another lower high. Okay, and that's about it for APT. There's really not that much. So you're either just gonna trend lower after losing this structure, or you're gonna find enough strength to hold this level and actually break up and take out the consolidation here. Because if it does take out this descending trend line, I just don't see it stopping. It may stall a little bit at $7, but it'll probably find the strength to break up higher. Because I'm sure in that scenario, Bitcoin's probably going up as well, right? So if you're gonna take this trade, just be wary. I mean, I don't know when this video might be invalidated when it comes out. Who knows? And remember, just don't just hop in 100% because I made a video about it. Follow my example with the swing trades. Always DCA in. Take your time. Control your risk. Okay. And again, if you have questions about the videos I do or about the trades or whatever, make sure you're on the Discord with me. Ask me questions. I'm very open. I try to be as fast with my responses as I can to answer your questions. So make sure you're there. And if you're not in the Discord, feel free to join. The link is in the description below. And I also have some services where, I do swing trade services. Everything is transparent on the Discord. I show you the trades as they're happening, where I close them, and I keep a record and log for you to see the performance. All right. All right, everyone. That's it for APT. And hope you enjoyed it. Remember, be patient, be vigilant, and be nimble. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.